I just created an about page with a single prompt. Let me show you how. Before we get started, make sure your site is connected to an AI agent like Claude or ChatGPT. I've linked a setup video in the description if you haven't done so yet. Instead of starting on a blank page, I'm going to ask Claude to create an about page for me, with a hero section with 2 columns and a masonry gallery on the right, a stats section, a meet the team section with 3 team members and images, and a culture and values section. Then it will give you a rundown of what it wants to create, and once you are satisfied, you can ask it to create the page. And then we will see a summary of what was built. And now let's check out the cool homepage it created using my theme and the sections I described. It is now ready for you to update with your own content and images. The AI agent gets me to a strong starting point, but the rest is up to me. Now let's take it a step further and create a landing page for an upcoming email campaign. In this example, I'm going to use a restaurant website of mine and ask Claude to create a premium landing page. Once again, I will be very specific and describe all the sections I want added. Remember, when you ask your AI assistant to build a page or edit content, it needs to plan the structure, generate the content, and prepare the changes before applying them. That's why it can take 20 to 30 seconds rather than happening instantly. In general, the more complex the request, the longer it takes. Now, when I open the landing page in the editor, we'll see that Claude built out the structure, all styled to match my site. I'll read through it, tweak the wording, adjust the layout if needed, and make it mine. The same principle applies when I'm working with content that I've already created. Instead of starting over, I can just describe what I want changed. In this last example, I want to replicate and modify this section. So I'll go ahead and ask my AI agent to duplicate the section, change it to a 3-column layout, and center the image. When I return to my page, I will see my original layout, and the new design is in place, ready to be updated. So whether you are starting from nothing or refining something that already exists, the AI handles the structure, you handle the story.